Have you ever faced a frustrating issue while working with Laravel Socialite? If you've ever wondered how to change the redirect URI at runtime, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into this common problem and showing you how to tackle it. I totally get it. It's annoying when you think you've got everything set up correctly, only to run into an error. You're not alone in this. Many developers have faced similar challenges with redirect URIs. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user recently asked, is it possible to change the value of redirect URI set in config services PHP at runtime? They tried using the redirect URL method, but encountered an error stating that the redirect URI should match the one from the OAuth dialog. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this issue? The problem often arises because the redirect URI must match the one registered with the OAuth provider. If it's empty or doesn't match, you'll run into errors. Let's break this down step by step. And stick around. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid these issues in the future. To change the redirect URI at runtime in Laravel Socialite, the user should first ensure that they are using the correct method to set the redirect URL. Instead of using the redirect URL method directly, they can set the redirect URI in the driver method. Next, the user should ensure that the new URL is properly formatted and matches the expected format for the OAuth provider. This is crucial because the redirect URI must be registered with the provider. After setting the redirect URI, the user should check the configuration in the services.php file to ensure that the default redirect URI is set correctly. This acts as a fallback if the runtime value is not provided. Finally, the user should test the implementation by initiating the OAuth flow and observing the redirect URI being used. This can be done by checking the network requests in the browser's developer tools. Fun fact. Did you know that OAuth was originally created to allow third-party applications to access user data without sharing passwords? It's a game changer in web security. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using the with method to set the redirect URI dynamically. In their approach, you can specify the new URL directly in the redirect to provider function. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your redirect URIs in both your application and the OAuth provider settings. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now have a better understanding of how to change the redirect URI at runtime in Laravel Socialite. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle more Laravel challenges.